Clarkson Honeybush is situated in the Eastern Cape in the Suzie area. We started Clarkson Honeybush in 2016. We are 6 members, 3 ladies and 3 gents. Everybody here at our company have his own job that he do. First, we are so grateful that we won that 10,000 because it's the first time that we take part in competitions, and it's the first time that we won an award. We plant more than 1.6 hectares honeybush. We planted substanata and longifolia. From the nursery in Thornham or Haarlem, we get the seedlings and then we start planting it in the plantations. We rent the land from our local owners, and we have a good understanding with our local owners. And sometimes when we plant in the plantations, we get people from our community, because it's a community project. We get them, if they are unemployed, we try to give them a job by planting it, or when we are harvesting, we make use of our community members as well as people from our company itself.